Hey guys, welcome to question FM133 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, $5,000 is invested for 3 years. Interest is earned at a rate of 10% per annum, compounding quarterly. Which one of the following calculations will give the total interest earned in dollars by this investment? So, I'm going to answer this question by just building from the bottom up what the formula would look like. You could have a look at the 5 different options that are presented to you and then figure out if they're right or wrong, and then hopefully end up with one correct answer left. I'm going to show you how we're going to build it up from the bottom. So our initial amount that's being invested is 5,000, and we want this to be multiplied by 1 plus. Now our rate is going to be 10%, but since this is compounding quarterly, we want 10% that's being divided by 4, and then that amount over 100. So if you were to plug this into a calculator, that 10% divided by 4 is going to be 2.5% per quarter, and that divided by 100 is going to leave you with a decimal of 0.025 to be useful later. Of course, our power that we multiply to, well, we're looking for how many years are we looking for? Which one the following? For 3 years. So we've got 3 years, but we're compounding each quarter. After this, we've also got to, because the question is asking us to find the total interest earned, not the total value of the investment, we need to minus the initial invested amount. So minus that initial 5,000, because of course this 5,000 and then being multiplied by our increasing rate is going to give us the total value of that investment, not just the interest portion of that investment. So if we were to clean this up a little bit, now that we've sort of plugged in our numbers that are needed, if we were to clean this up a little bit or plug this into a calculator even, we would find that this is 5,000 times 1 point. Now this is going to become 2.5 and then divide by 100 will be 0.025. Adding that to 1 is going to leave us with 1.025 to the power of 12 minus 5,000. Now at this stage, this is going to be looking very much like option C, which of course is the correct answer. If you guys have any questions on how we came up with this, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.